If I asked you what was the most stolen car in the UK, you'd probably say Audi, BMW or Mercedes. It's actually none of them. Let's find out what it is. It's actually this, the Ford Fiesta, Britain's most popular car for the last 47 years. But is it any more desirable for thieves? Not necessarily. So think of it like this. Last year alone, over 303,000 Ford Fiestas were sold, even with the production stopping in 2023. That's more than the total combined number of every electric vehicle sold in that year. So they're not necessarily any more desirable, there's just that many of them. For the last 47 years, the Ford Fiesta has been one of the best-selling cars on the market. It's easy to see why, with variants like the ST, which I'm driving now, and the more normal, mundane version of it, which is still really good on fuel, really cheap to buy, and more than that, reliable. So the variants which are targeted most are the ones with keyless entry. Nowadays, thieves don't go through smashing windows, those days are gone. What they do now is use stuff like relay hacking and OBD ports to basically trick your car into thinking that they have the key. They can be in and out, done with your car within 2 minutes. Now, the way they do that is they normally work in gangs. So one of the thieves will be at your front door holding a relay, picking up the signal from your wireless key. The other, with the relay, will be standing by the car, which basically communicates a longer signal between your key and the car. So the car thinks that your key is present. All they do then is jump in the car and drive off. It's that easy. As well, there's stuff like OBD tools which they can use, basically plug into your car's diagnostic port, trick the immobilizer into thinking that they have the correct key for the car, and they're gone. That forces them to gain forceful entry into the car, so most of them use these new relay softwares. What can you do to protect yourselves? So, nice and easy one, a steering lock. Tried and tested for years and years. Even if the thieves gain access to your car, they can't really go anywhere in it. Number two, you can buy a Faraday pouch, which is a small little device which you put your wireless key in, which blocks any radio signal from your key to the car. Obviously, when you get to your car, you take your key out of the pouch, it works as normal, but it just cuts that signal dead and no one can get into your car without that. Now, I think the third most obvious one is do not leave your key by the front door. If you leave your key by the front door, the thieves can go anywhere near your house, pick up that signal, and they'll be straight in your car and gone in seconds. So to summarise, the car is any more desirable than any other car. There's just that many of them. They're a fantastic car. There's no question about that. But you just need to protect yourselves. Be aware and don't do anything stupid. Follow the points I've already said. You don't need to go to extreme heights. Just be smart, vigilant, and make sure you keep your keys safe. One little pull though, because this car is really nice. The Ford Fiesta ST is just one of the best cars on the road. The best hot hatchback, without a question. Let me know in the comments if you've had any similar experiences of your car being stolen and measures that you take to protect yours now.